Okay, this is a short little video about procedure 4 in the first experiment for EGR-226 lab. I call this experiment Diodes, LEDs, Transistors, and Signals lab. And my cat has joined me, so if you see a tail wagging in the video here, oh, there he goes. Don't mind him. So what you see here is a proto board, and on that proto board it turns out I've got a red LED and a 180 ohm resistor, and this is the same as circuit number 4 in the experiment. We call it an LED flasher. So it's being driven by a signal source. You can see the signal source in circuit maker parlance there. This circuit is from circuit maker that I put in the experiment because it's easy to do. And it says that this signal goes from 0 to 5 volts with a 1 hertz. Right now it's actually, I've got it set for a frequency of half of a hertz, which means the flash is on and off for a second alternately. So I'm going to go over and change the rate at which it flashes so you can observe this. Now it's up at every half second it's on and off. I change it up a little bit here. We'll go every quarter second it's on and off, and I can raise that speed up to about 5 hertz, 6, 7 hertz, 8 hertz, 9 hertz, 10 hertz, and you can still see it flashing. 11 hertz. I don't know what the camera will do here at 12 hertz, 13 hertz, about 14 hertz. You can still see flashing. 15. Now it appears to be on. The camera doesn't have as good resolution. I'm sitting here and it turns out I can still see it flashing. I'll go up a little bit higher. For my eyesight, we have persistence in our eyes, and right now I'm up to about 22, 23, 24, 25 hertz, and it's almost like it's constantly on. You can see some flashing, however. So it turns out you actually could see in the video a little bit still of it flashing on and off. And I'll go back the opposite way, down to 10 hertz. Down to 4 hertz, 3 hertz, 2 hertz, 1 hertz. So I also have an oscilloscope set up, and with the oscilloscope I'm going to take and set it so you'll see the waveform trace out. So I'm going to move the camera up here. Hopefully this works. There's the scope face. I'm going to take and get rid of the trace that's there. And if you watch, you'll see the waveform, and you'll see my cat walk through. Please, kitty. So I'll do that one more time. You can see a reflection of myself in there also. If I turn this up, the frequency up, and I go and do this again, you'll see that the waveforms are shorter more often. Okay, so that's this very short video, to say the least, about procedure number 4.